Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about an amazing essential oil that many people already know and love, Peppermint Essential Oil. Have you ever used Peppermint Essential Oil? Share your experience in the comments. What is Peppermint Essential Oil? It is extracted from the leaves of the peppermint plant, which belongs to the Lamiaceae family. The extraction process is done through steam distillation. Peppermint has a refreshing aroma that resembles the scent of toothpaste. It provides a cooling and stimulating sensation when applied to the skin or inhaled, offering an invigorating effect. Its chemical composition is rich in menthol and menthone, which are responsible for its therapeutic benefits. It is widely used in aromatherapy, alternative medicine, and the cosmetic industry. It is one of the most versatile and popular essential oils, marketed globally with origins in the United States, Europe, and other regions. Health benefits of Peppermint Essential Oil. Peppermint Essential Oil is known for its therapeutic properties and health benefits. Here are some of the main ones. Nasal decongestant. Instant relief for your airways. The menthol in peppermint oil helps to clear nasal congestion. It acts as a natural decongestant, opening up the airways and making breathing easier. How to use. Apply 1 drop to the palms of your hands, rub them together, and inhale deeply. Add a few drops to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. Headache relief. Fast and natural relief. Peppermint has an analgesic and cooling effect, helping to relieve migraines and tension headaches. How to use. Apply 1 drop of pure peppermint oil to your fingertip and massage your temples in circular motions. If necessary, reapply after 10 to 15 minutes. Combats nausea and motion sickness. Even effective for pregnant women. Inhaling the oil can reduce morning sickness, nausea from indigestion, or travel sickness. How to use. Smell it directly from the bottle. Add 1 drop to a glass of water and gargle. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Improves digestion and reduces gastric discomfort. It helps relax the muscles of the digestive tract and relieves the feeling of a heavy stomach. How to use. Mix 1 drop of peppermint oil in a glass of warm water and sip slowly. Anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Helps with muscle pain and inflammation. Reduces muscle pain, stiff neck, and mild inflammation. How to use. Mix 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and massage the affected area. Oral health and bad breath. Refreshing and antibacterial. Kills bacteria in the mouth, helping to prevent cavities and bad breath. How to use. Add 1 drop to a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash. If you liked this, leave a comment. Have you ever used peppermint oil for any of these issues? Using Peppermint Essential Oil for well-being and aesthetics. Peppermint Essential Oil is not just a health ally but also provides various benefits for well-being and beauty care. Here are some ways to use it in your daily routine. Massages and muscle relaxation. Reduces tension and promotes well-being. Its cooling and analgesic effect helps relieve muscle pain and body tension. Great for those who suffer from back pain, stiff neck, or overworked muscles. How to use. Mix 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil. Apply to the affected area and gently massage. Reducing swelling in legs and tired feet. Instant relief for heavy legs. Perfect for people who stand for long periods or experience fluid retention. How to use. In a basin with warm water, add 5 to 10 drops of peppermint oil and 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Soak your feet or massage your legs with this solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Slimming and firming properties. Helps tighten the skin. Peppermint oil stimulates blood circulation, potentially reducing sagging and the appearance of cellulite. How to use. Mix 5 drops of peppermint oil with 10 drops of rosemary oil and 50 milliliters of carrier oil. Massage the desired areas in circular motions. Aromatherapy for mental well-being. Boosts focus and reduces fatigue. The scent of peppermint is stimulating, helping to improve concentration and combat mental exhaustion. How to use. Add 5 drops of peppermint essential oil to an electric diffuser or room aromatizer. Inhale directly from the bottle during moments of fatigue. Hydration and skin revitalization. Refreshing and hydrating for hot days. Provides a cooling sensation and can soothe the skin after sun exposure. How to use. Mix 2 drops of peppermint oil with aloe vera gel and apply to the skin for refreshing hydration. Using peppermint essential oil for sports and exercise. Peppermint essential oil is a great ally for those who engage in physical activities. It can help boost energy before workouts, enhance performance, and aid in muscle recovery after exercise. Here's how to use it. Pre-workout energy boost. Increases energy and improves focus. The refreshing scent of peppermint stimulates the nervous system, helping to reduce fatigue and increase alertness. How to use before exercise. Apply 1 drop of peppermint oil to your hands, rub them together, and inhale deeply. Add 5 drops to a diffuser to energize the environment before your workout. Dilute 2 drops in a carrier oil and massage your neck and wrists before physical activity. Performance enhancement and physical endurance. Helps with oxygenation and muscle endurance. Peppermint has a vasodilating effect, improving circulation and potentially aiding endurance during aerobic exercises. How to use during workouts. Apply 1 drop to your temples to enhance focus and reduce fatigue. Mix 2 drops in a carrier oil and apply to your chest for better breathing. Post-workout recovery. Reduces muscle pain and speeds up recovery. Peppermint oil has anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties, helping to relieve soreness after exercise. How to use after a workout. Mix 5 to 10 drops of peppermint essential oil with 50 milliliters of carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and massage sore muscles. Soak your feet in warm water with coarse salt and 5 drops of peppermint oil to relieve foot and leg pain. Safety and precautions when using peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential oil is extremely beneficial, but it should be used cautiously to avoid adverse effects. Here are some important safety tips. Always dilute before applying to the skin to prevent irritation. Avoid contact with the eyes, mucous membranes, and sensitive areas. Not recommended for children under 6 or pregnant women without professional guidance. Store in a cool, dark place to maintain its properties. Now that you know how to use peppermint oil safely, you can incorporate this amazing oil into your routine with confidence. Have you ever had a reaction to peppermint oil? Or do you have questions about its use? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to apply them in your daily routine and share your experience in the comments. In the next video, we'll explore another amazing essential oil and its benefits for health and well-being. You won't want to miss it. So, turn on notifications and stay tuned. See you there.